Oh, I think it's a 197.
The next one, 197 then.
Yeah, after this one.
Where's this one from? Chester?
I think this one's a 158, if not a 175.
No, I think this one's 158. It's never the 175 speed. Yeah, this one should. That 175 back then should have been a 167.
I hope it doesn't double stay because I want to film 2 closures here. This barrier hit the floor as well.
Can you see it down the line?
No. This barrier hit the floor as well, did you hear it?
What's that? It's not peeled the thing off properly. Look, there's a big stick on the barrier.
Oh yeah. It's weird. Don't stand on there, Reese, just in case you fall. I don't know why the barriers are so far, like the barrier boxes are so far away from the road.
I know.
This one's really far away, look.
This barrier's quite long.
Yeah, it's like the same size as Barmer South.
We might get a horn as well because that drive that network field on the track.
Possibly.
It's the line now. We might cross to the other side in case it does like do successive.
It can do, but I don't think it will. Where's the train? Because the next one's at it's expected at the moment at 44. Oh, is it? Oh.
Cheshire. Yes, it would be a 197 test train from Shrewsbury to Chester.
Yep. That bar didn't hit the floor this time, that's strange.
These barriers are kind of high off the floor, really. Look at this.
They are actually, but you wouldn't think that one would.
They're quite high off the floor, these.
Yeah, they are. I don't understand why that wig works like that. One long and one short.
We'll take a picture for them now. Honeywell, that's what it says.
What?
It says Honeywell on that, I don't know what it is, that Honeywell thing.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
I think that's the company that makes them. I've always wondered what they're for, to be honest.
Yeah,
because obviously that does detecting the crossing, but I don't know what they do.
Where is here? I think. I can hear it.
I don't know. I can't see it.
This light is so weird.
Yeah. After this, we'll walk back to Lache Lane.
I see it now.
Yeah.
Oh, 20.